working with vacuum systems or mass spectrometry, and got an RGA data file. This contains gas composition measurements from a residual gas analyzer instrument. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening and analyzing these residual gas analyzer data files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an RGA file. Here's a sneak peek. RGA files are data files generated by residual gas analyzers used in vacuum technology, mass spectrometry, and semiconductor manufacturing. They store mass-to-charge ratio scans, partial pressure measurements, scan parameters, and instrument metadata for analyzing gas composition in vacuum chambers and process tools. RGA files use vendor-specific formats from manufacturers like SRS Inficon or Pfeiffer, storing measurement data as paired mass and pressure values with scan configuration metadata. The structure includes ionization parameters, detector settings, timestamp information, and calibration data, enabling accurate spectrum analysis and partial pressure calculations. The standard opener for RGA is known to be unknown software developed by unknown developer. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows may preview high-level details, but full interpretation requires appropriate data processing tools. Let's find the winning application. Right-click your RGA file and select Open With. If unknown software is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. If you still can't open the RGA file, it's okay. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the RGA format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, opening in vendor software. Identify the RGA manufacturer based on the file source and install the corresponding software like SRS RGA software Inficon FabGuard or Pfeiffer Quadera. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the RGA data displaying mass spectra and partial pressure trends in interactive plots. Next, exporting to CSV. Within vendor software, export RGA data to CSV format using the Export or Save As function. The resulting CSV file contains mass values and corresponding pressure readings in tabular form, readable in Excel Origin, or any data analysis tool for custom analysis and reporting. Finally, analyzing in scientific software. Import exported RGA data into specialized analysis platforms like OriginLab, MATLAB, or Python with SciPy. These tools enable advanced peak-fitting trend analysis, leak detection algorithms, and publication quality plotting, beyond the capabilities of standard vendor software for in-depth gas analysis research. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.